Good morning. Welcome to Algebra A, B, and Bridge to Algebra 2. This is your spring semester test review for 2021, Part 1. You are to define the following terms. So define the following terms. Spring semester review 2021, Part 1. And you are to define the following terms. The first term that you need to look up is the word coordinate point. Coordinate point. So make sure you use a dictionary, okay, for coordinate point. So a coordinate point is X and Y, pretty much, all right? It gives a location, and it's for a point X and Y. So you can write this in your own language as well. So a coordinate point is a location on a plane. Location on a plane, and is usually written as X, comma, Y. All right, that's called a coordinate point. Number 2, x-axis. It is a major line that runs horizontally. And the word horizontally means you go from left to right. Izquierda, derecha. Okay? That's your x-axis. Number 3, y-axis. Y-axis is a major line that runs vertically. So it goes up and down. Okay? Number 4, origin. The word origin, number 4, origin, means it's the beginning. Another word you can say is the starting point. The starting point. And origin is that X is 0 and your Y is 0. So it's 0, 0. Okay? So if you're looking on the graph, there's your X, here's your Y. This right here is the origin. That's your origin, 0, 0. Okay? A Cartesian plane is a flat two-dimensional surface with 4 quadrants. That is a Cartesian plane. Sometimes it's also known as a coordinate plane. Coordinate plane. Sometimes you see that word as well. Okay? Function for every X, there's a Y. For every X value, there's a Y value. There's a function. Okay? Domain, number 7, domain. Domain is your X value. It is pretty much your independent variable. There's your domain. It's a list of all the X values. Let's add an S. Your range is all your Y values. Okay? Sometimes you see the word dependent variable. Dependent variable. All right. Number 9, maximum. Maximum is the highest point on the graph. Okay? Your highest point on the graph is your maximum. Number 10, minimum. Minimum is your lowest point on the graph. Okay? Lowest point on the graph. And there's number 10. right, let's go on to the next page. Number 11, x-intercept. It's where a point on the graph, a point on the graph where it crosses, sometimes you see the word intercept, the x-axis. Okay? And whenever that happens, you usually have an x and the y is 0. So it's the point on the graph where it crosses the x-axis. Y-intercept is a point on the graph where it crosses or intercept the y-axis. In that case, you usually have 0 and there's a value for y. An expression, okay? What is an expression? It is a point. It has no equal sign. So a definition of an expression, okay? Expression is numbers or symbols. Sometimes it's a variable, okay? Numbers or symbols, and sometimes operators, add, subtract, multiply, or divide, grouped together to show the value. Okay, so numbers or symbols and operators like add, subtract, multiply, divide. So that way you'll know. All right, next word is equation. All right, an equation, okay, it is a mathematical statement. It's a math statement containing an equal, that's the word equal, sign. That's the difference in the two. All right. Okay, just a moment. All right, next word, linear equation. All right, linear equation is a, hang on just a moment, guys. My stuff is all messed up. Where's mine? There we go. Okay. Linear equation. Linear equation is basically a line. And most of the time that has where x and y has the power of 1. Okay? So x1 plus y1 is equal to, say, 4. There's an example. Okay? Standard form. Now we're talking about standard form of a linear equation. The standard form is ax plus by is equal to c. That's a standard form of a linear. 17, slope-intercept form of a linear. And it's called slope-intercept form because it's y equals mx plus b, where m and b are the important part. M is your slope, b is your y-intercept. All right, slope of a linear, okay? A slope is a rise over your run. And the letter we usually use for that is m is equal to. It is a change of y over a change of x. Okay? All right, quadrants. Quadrant is a division in a coordinate plane. So if I have an X and a Y, this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, okay, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Quadrant 1 is positive, positive. Quadrant 2 is negative, positive. Quadrant 3 is all negative, and quadrant 4 is positive, negative. Okay? That's how you have your usually your X and your Y. All right. And the word graph. What is the word graph? Okay. So it's a pictorial definition of diagrams, okay? It is a picture or a diagram to organize manner, to organize ideas. Okay? There you go. And there you have your 20 terms. All right. I hope you guys learned those. Okay? Thank you.